to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we are going over the recipe. We're giving up the recipe to our Smackin oven baked turkey wings, everybody. Yes, so we went on and washed our turkey thoroughly. You can see our YouTube tutorials of how to properly clean pork chops and chicken. Okay, now we cleaned it nice and thoroughly. We added our flavored seasonings. Okay, now I'm telling you, this is old school way. We use Lawry seasoning salt. We use Lawry's garlic salt. We use garlic powder, onion powder, paprika for a little bit of color, right? And then we went on to add some dry parsley and some chopped onions. Now, right here, we made our own chicken-based bouillon to put into a layer for the bottom of the turkey so it can steam nicely during cooking, okay? We use better than bouillon, chicken flavor for this, okay? Boil it on the stove with some water, added about, I say maybe a half a cup to a third or fourth of a cup into this nice casserole dish, this nice layer there. If you want more gravy, add about a cup of water, okay? Now, right here is it covered, and we cooked it for an hour with foil on it. Now, we took the foil off. Look at them juices in this pan. We're not playing right here. Nobody ain't gonna talk about you at the church with this, okay? Nobody. Now, I'm telling you right here, right there is all filet pot. Look at that filet pot there. We're not finished yet. This is the next process we're going to go through. We're going to take that foil off. Like I said, we're going to cook it for another 30 minutes to brown, okay? To make it perfect and tender. We're going to put it in the oven. Then it comes right out. Look at that. We're basting it with that nice good old gravy and that nice bottom casserole dish over on top of this right here. We like our gravy like this. This is how we do our gravy with our mashed potatoes and everything. But if you want to do it, take an extra step. Pour this juice out of your casserole dish into a skillet and add it into with some nice cornstarch and water mixed together and pour it in there slowly after you bring it to a simmer first, and then you pour your cornstarch in and stir it. You got to keep stirring it until the thickness occurs, okay? But we're not going to do that. We're doing it right here. It's good just the way it is. You know what, Grandma? This is one of my favorite ways of how you do oven turkey wings. You know, like after church, when we come home from church, this is what we want. Exactly. This is what we crave. We went up there to Disneyland, paid all that money. We were so disappointed because we only got one little drumstick of a turkey thing and a little chicken little wing that they had nerve to put in there and 12 tater tots, okay? That was $19. They ought to be ashamed of themselves. So we came on home, made sure. Look at that. Look at that, how tender that is. We are not playing here at Mama Soul Kitchen. Look at that. If I had two fingers, it'd be smackalicious. Now, you know what? That was enough withdrawals from Disneyland. We came home, did our own home cooking. We got our flavors going on. Now we're ready for the real holidays. You guys stay tuned. Follow us on YouTube for a lot more.